Hello everyone and welcome to On Frame Channel, the place where we uncover how our daily tools are made. Today, we're embarking on an exclusive journey into the heart of the Audi Neckarsulm plant, where one of the most anticipated luxury vehicles of the year, the 2025 Audi A5, comes to life. This state-of-the-art facility is where precision engineering, craftsmanship, and advanced technology converge to create a vehicle that combines innovation, performance, and luxury in perfect harmony. In this video, we'll walk you through every intricate stage of the Audi A5 production process, showing you how raw materials transform into a masterpiece of design and engineering. From the first stamp of the steel presses to the final quality inspections, this is how the A5 is built, step by step. Let's dive right in. Phase 1. Stamping the body panels. Our journey begins in the stamping section, where raw sheets of steel and aluminum are transformed into the body panels that will define the sleek, aerodynamic shape of the Audi A5. Here, we see massive presses operating with incredible force, up to 8,000 tons of pressure, stamping out the key components like the roof, doors, fenders, and hood. The precision of these presses is extraordinary. Each panel must meet exact tolerances, ensuring that the fit and finish of every Audi A5 are perfect. The materials used, a combination of high-strength steel and lightweight aluminum, provide an ideal balance of durability, safety, and weight reduction. Audi engineers use these materials strategically across the body of the car to ensure maximum structural integrity while keeping the vehicle's weight as low as possible, enhancing both performance and fuel efficiency. Once the individual panels have been stamped, they are carefully inspected and then moved to the next phase of the production line. Phase 2. Robotic assembly in the body shop. Next, we enter the body shop, where the panels that were just stamped are assembled to form the core structure of the Audi A5. This is where Audi's cutting-edge robotic systems come into play, performing thousands of intricate tasks with unmatched accuracy and speed. In this stage, we witness robots working in perfect synchronization, welding, riveting, and bonding the various components of the vehicle's body together. The use of over 1,000 highly precise robots ensures that every weld and joint is flawless. From laser welding, which provides strong, clean seams, to robotic arms that place rivets with precision, this phase is crucial in creating a safe and rigid body structure. The Audi A5 body undergoes more than 5,000 individual welding points. These welds are carefully placed to ensure maximum strength in areas that bear the most stress, while optimizing overall vehicle safety in the event of a collision. Audi also employs advanced measurement techniques to ensure that every vehicle maintains exacting dimensions, ensuring that each car is built with the same high standards. Phase 3. The paint shop. Once the body has been fully assembled, it's time to give the Audi A5 its beautiful exterior finish in the paint shop. Audi is known for its high-quality finishes, and this is where that signature look is achieved. The painting process starts with the application of a special primer that protects the vehicle from corrosion. This is critical for long-term durability, especially in regions where the car might be exposed to harsh weather conditions. The primer layer is followed by multiple layers of color, which are carefully chosen from a wide range of options available to Audi customers. Whether it's the classic black or a striking metallic blue, each color is applied with precision to ensure an even and flawless coat. Audi also incorporates advanced water-based paints that reduce environmental impact without compromising quality. After the color layers are applied, the vehicle receives a final clear coat, which not only adds shine, but also serves as a protective barrier against the elements. The paint process is a mixture of automation and human craftsmanship. Robots apply the majority of the paint to ensure uniformity, while skilled technicians handle more intricate tasks like touch-ups and quality control checks, ensuring a mirror-like finish. Phase 4. Crafting the interior. With the body completed and the paint cured to perfection, it's time to turn our attention to the interior assembly phase. This is where the Audi A5 transforms from a technical marvel into a luxurious experience. Here, craftsmanship and attention to detail take center stage. Skilled workers begin by fitting the cabin with all the necessary interior components, starting with the dashboard, seats, and upholstery. Every material used inside the A5 is handpicked for its quality and durability, whether it's the supple leather for the seats, the soft touch materials on the dash, or the high-tech displays and controls. Customization is key in this phase. Audi offers a wide range of interior options, allowing each A5 to be tailored to the owner's personal tastes. Customers can choose from various materials, colors, and finishes, whether they prefer the understated elegance of walnut wood trims or the sleek, modern feel of brushed aluminum. Craftsmanship is paramount in this phase. Artisans hand-stitch the leather seats and apply the finishing touches to the dashboard. Every seam is inspected, and every panel is perfectly aligned to create the premium look and feel that Audi customers expect. At this stage, quality checks are constant, ensuring that each component feels as luxurious as it looks. Phase 5. Powertrain and chassis assembly. Now, we move into the heart of the vehicle, the chassis and powertrain assembly. This is where the performance aspect of the Audi A5 truly comes to life. The chassis, which includes the suspension, braking, and drivetrain systems, is meticulously assembled by both human workers and automated systems. Audi's engineering excellence is on full display here, as the company integrates its famous Quattro all-wheel drive system and advanced powertrains into each vehicle. Whether it's a traditional gasoline-powered engine or the latest in hybrid technology, Audi ensures that every powertrain is tested for performance and efficiency before it's installed. One of the most critical parts of this process is the marriage between the engine and the chassis, a pivotal moment when the car's power source is seamlessly integrated into the frame. Specially trained technicians oversee this step, ensuring that the engine, transmission, and all electronic components are installed perfectly. As each powertrain is unique to the model and trim, this step requires great precision and expertise. Audi's engines are pre-tested in separate facilities, but once they are fitted into the A5, they undergo further testing to ensure smooth operation and peak performance. Rigorous quality control and testing. Finally, before an Audi A5 can leave the factory, it must pass through quality control and testing. This is one of the most critical steps in the entire production process, as it ensures that every vehicle leaving the plant meets Audi's high standards of safety, performance, and luxury. Each vehicle undergoes a battery of tests, both static and dynamic. First, the car's electronics, lights, and sensors are checked. Then, the vehicle is driven on a test track where it's subjected to various conditions. from rough terrain to sharp turns, testing its handling, suspension, and acceleration. Brakes are tested for responsiveness, and the engine is pushed to its limits to ensure optimal performance. Audi even simulates extreme weather conditions to check how the car performs in heat, cold, and rain, ensuring that no matter where an Audi A5 is driven, it's ready for any challenge. Only after passing these rigorous tests is the vehicle cleared for delivery to the customer. And there you have it, the full journey of how the 2025 Audi A5 is meticulously crafted from raw materials to a stunning, road-ready luxury vehicle at Audi's Neckarsulm plant. Each step in this process reflects Audi's unwavering dedication to precision, performance, and luxury, ensuring that every car bearing the four rings delivers the best driving experience possible. Thank you for joining us on this exclusive behind-the-scenes tour. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at Audi's production process, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more automotive content. See you next time.